Okay. Natalia, now we're going to practice. Now you got to copy me. Do what I do. Okay, now we're going to have to practice. This video is because my daughter is having a little, not a little dilemma. We're practicing how to do the L sound. La, 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 la. Sácatela de la boca. Okay, look at mommy. La, 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 la. No. Okay, te va a dar náusea, no sea así. La, 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 la. No. La, la. Así no. La, la, la. Mira la lengua. Up. Up.
I'm sorry.
Mommy's showing you. Copy mommy.
I'm not sorry.
Tú sí sabes.
No.
Yes.
I'm not sorry.
Tú sabes. Look at mommy. Mommy's going to show you.
I'm not sorry.
Yes, and we're working on shapes. Can you get the toy so you can show everybody all the shapes and the colors you've learned?
I'm 6.
Okay, show me the shapes. What's that shape?
What's that?
Can you tell the camera what shape is that? What color is that on your hand?
My hand?
What is that? What color is this?
Black.
What?
Black.
Good job. Very good.
I love this.
And what is that? What shape is that?
It's that. That's that.
What?
Hexagon.
Hexagon. Very good. And what shape is that? This one. That one.
That one?
No, this one. The next one. What shape is that?
A star.
Very good. Star. And can you tell me what color that star is?
Yeah.
What color is that beautiful star?
I'll be back.
What?
I'll be back.
No, what color is that?
A rat.
That's red? That's not red.
That's back.
What color is this?
That's rat.
That's red. But what color is this? You forgot?
Yeah.
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 You forgot.
This.
Okay, now say bye to Tia.
Bye, dear.
I see you. Say bye to Ciara and to baby Gabby.
Bye, Gabby. Bye, Sarah.
Bye. Tírale un besito. No, you gotta go over there and tíralo. Bye. Cut.